Hello and good morning to all my dear students. I welcome you in the class of English Text, Standard 9. Today I am going to explain you poem 7 from your Beehive book. Name of the poem is The Duck and the Kangaroo, written by Edward Lear. Before I start with the poem, let us go through with these points. This is humorous poem of a kind known as nonsense verse by Edward Lear. That means बहुत ही फनी सॉर्ट ऑफ ये पोएम है और जिसे अपन नॉनसेंस वर्सेस कहते हैं इन poetic language. The duck and the kangaroo both were very good friends. In this poem, the poet tells us that we can get any difficult work done by others if we have the virtues, qualities such as sweetness, politeness and obedience. आपको अगर आपका काम निकलवाना है तो we must be very much polite to that fellow person. We must be very much sweet enough in our language, in our tone, so that we can get through our work. So ऐसा ही कुछ डक करवा लेती है कैंगरू से. Said the duck to the kangaroo, God, good gracious, how you hop over the fields and the water too, as if you never would stop. My life is a bore in this nasty pond, and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you, said the duck to the kangaroo. Over here, duck is praising to kangaroo. What she says, how nicely you hop. She is very much impressed with kangaroo's ability to hop over the land and water. And this kangaroo never stops. The duck explains that its own life in the pond is very much boring. थक चुकी है उतने से तालाब में रह के, and it wants to explore the world. It could fulfill its dream if it could hop like the kangaroo. बोले कि मुझे भी अपना बाहर जाना है, मैं अपने ड्रीम्स को फुलफिल करना चाहती हूँ. और आप देखो कितने अच्छे से क्या कर सकते हैं, हॉप करके सब जगह पर आप लैंड पे, वाटर पे, फील्ड पे, सब जगह पे आप घूम सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस वाज अबाउट स्टेंजा फर्स्ट. नेक्स्ट, प्लीज गिव मी अ राइड ऑन योर बैक, सेड द डक टू द कैंगरू. I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack the whole of the long day through, and we would go to the Dee and the Jelly-Bo-Lee, over the land and over the sea. Please take me a ride, oh do, said the duck to the kangaroo. Now here, duck is putting a request to kangaroo and asks the kangaroo for a ride. She says that I want a ride at your back. I'll sit at your back. The duck promises it would sit very still and only quack all day. मैं promise करती हूँ, duck कहती है कि मैं शांति से बैठूंगी, बस सिर्फ पूरा दिन मेरा जो आवाज है quacking करना, quack quack में करती रहूंगी. The duck proposes traveling to the places like the Dee and the Jelly-Bo-Lee, crossing land and water in the process. कहाँ कहाँ वो जाना चाहती है डक, वो सारी रिक्वेस्ट डक ने डाल दी हैं. The duck repeats its polite request for a ride on the kangaroo's back. Please take me a ride. मेहरबानी करके आप प्लीज मुझे कहाँ लेकर चलो? राइड पे लेकर चलो. Who is saying? Duck is saying. To whom? To kangaroo. Third stanza. Said the kangaroo to the duck. Now kangaroo is replying to duck. This requires some little reflection. Perhaps on the whole it might bring me luck. And there seems but one objection, which is, if you will let me speak so bold, your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold, and would probably give me the rheumatism, said the kangaroo. Rheumatism एक बीमारी होती है. Rheumatism means joints का जो दर्द होता है, that is rheumatism. कैंगरू कहता है, हाँ, आपने जो मुझे रिक्वेस्ट किया है, आपने जो मेरे सामने प्रपोजल रखा है, उसके बारे में मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा. While it might be a source of good luck for the kangaroo does have just one concern, to speak plainly. एक उसको बात कहनी है. किससे कहनी है? उसको डक से कहनी है. The duck's wet, cold feet might give the kangaroo rheumatism. Means कि आप पूरा दिन पानी में रहती हो, आपके जो ठंडे फीट हैं वो अगर मेरी बैक को लगेंगे तो हो सकता है कि मुझे जोड़ों का दर्द हो जाए, मुझे जॉइंट्स का दर्द हो जाए. ऑल्सो he may feel cold, और ठंड की वजह से उसको जोड़ों का दर्द भी बढ़ सकता है. This was the point which kangaroo wanted to share with duck. Said the duck, as I sat on the rocks, I have thought over that completely, and I bought 4 pairs of worsted socks which fit my web feet neatly and do keep out the cold. I have bought a clock, and every day a cigar I will smoke, all to follow my own dear true love of a kangaroo. Now, this is the reply in the stanza by duck to the kangaroo. बोले, एक बार जब मैं रॉक्स के ऊपर बैठी थी तब मैंने कंप्लीटली ये प्लान कर लिया है, कंप्लीटली इस मैटर के पीछे मैं सोच चुकी हूं कि मुझे मेरी क्या क्या तैयारियां करनी पड़ेंगी. Duck says that it has thought on this concern already and has purchased 4 pairs of warm socks that fits its webbed feet well. क्या किया है डक ने? 4 पेयर्स उसने खरीद लिए हैं और वो अपने पैरों में वो गर्म जो सॉक्स हैं उसको पहन लेगी, जिसकी वजह से आपको तकलीफ नहीं होगी. This is the reply by duck to the kangaroo. And even she has purchased a warm cloak. लंबा सा उसने पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ ले लिया है जिसकी वजह से वो ढक भी सकेगी, और ज्यादा से ज्यादा वो क्या करेगी? पूरा टाइम वो सिगार पीती रहेगी, जिसकी वजह से ऑल दैट शी विल डू फॉर अ राइड. ये सब कुछ काम करेगी जिसकी वजह से आप प्लीज मुझे राइड के लिए मना नहीं करेंगे और आप मुझे ले चलेंगे. This is all the preparation what duck has done for a ride on the back of the kangaroo. Last stanza. Said the kangaroo, I am ready, all in the moonlight pale, but to balance me well, dear duck, sit steady and quite at the end of my tail. So away they went with a hop and a bound, and they hopped the whole world 3 times round. And who so happy, oh who, as the duck and the kangaroo. Now here the kangaroo gives his final decision that yes, now I am ready by seeing your all preparations. So let us go for a ride. The kangaroo even urges to duck to sit at the end of his tail to achieve the best balance possible. मैं अपने आप में बैलेंस रख सकूं, इसके लिए आप मेरी टेल के बहुत पीछे एज पे जाके बैठना. They both, the kangaroo and the duck, hopped for 3 times around the world. 3 बार कैंगरू ने उसे चक्कर लगवाया है. And both felt very happy. इन दोनों के जैसा और कोई भी खुश हो सकता नहीं है जितने कि आज डक एंड कैंगरू खुश हुए हैं by taking the ride for 3 times the world. So this was all about the duck and the kangaroo. Study well, students. Complete your work for unit 7. All the very best. Thank you for listening. And for this poem, The Duck and the Kangaroo, there are no question answers from my side. Okay students, इसमें आपको अपने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स नहीं लिखने हैं. ओनली आपका जो चैप्टर 7 है पैकिंग, वो आप कंप्लीट कर लेना. थैंक यू वंस अगेन.